what I always like to do is write out the chord possibilities. Okay, so you have 1 F A C, 2 G B flat D, we have 4 B flat D F, and 5 is C E or G. And the cadences we have are perfect, so that's 5-1. We have plagal, which is 4-1. We have imperfect, which is anything to 5. The chords that we use here should form a cadence. So if it's not one of these, you use the wrong chord. So if we look at the notes that we're given, we have F, D, and B flat. So basically E here is what we call a passing note. It's not a harmony note. Back to the chords that we have, the only real option we have for this is 4. So that's going to be a 4. We have an A and an F. If we look at the options that we have, we've chord 1. And does 4-1 make a cadence? It does. It's a plagal cadence. We have 3 chords, but again, the last 2 of these should form a cadence. Look at our notes. We've got B, G, and D. So B, G, and D, what chord has that? That's chord 2. So we put chord 2 in the box. And we have C, F, and A, F, A, C. So that's chord 1. Has a G, E, and a C. So C, E, G is chord 5. And we know we're correct because chord 1 to 5 is imperfect, so we have a cadence here. So the 4-1 is plagal, and the 1 to 5 is imperfect. Is name each cadence. 1 is C, E, G, 2 is E, F, A, 4 is A, C, and 5 is G, B, D. F, C, F again and A, so F, A, C. So looking at our chords, that's chord 4. Is C, C again, E and G, so that's chord 1. So here it's 4-1, which is plagal. 1, D, F, A, 2, E, G, B, 4, D, E, F, G, G, B, D, and 5, A, C, E. E, G, B, E, so E, G, B is chord 2. A, and A again, C and E, which is chord 5. So anything to 5 is imperfect. So F major, we go F, A, C. 2 is G, B, D. 4, F, G, A, B, so it's B, flat, D, F. And 5 is C, E, G. When you've got a chord in root position, it means that the first one of each chord is in the bass. If it's a first inversion, which is a B, so let's say 1B, it means that the second note is in the bass. So if it was chord 1B here, A would be the note that would be in the bass. And if it's a chord C, it means that the last note in the chord is in the bass. First one here we're looking at is this one, or an F. We have a B and a D. F, B, and D. So B, D, F is chord 4, but because the F is in the bass, okay, it's a second inversion, so it is a 4C. It's G in the bass, and then E and C above it. Again, chord 5, C in root position, first inversion with the E, but it's the G, so it's the second inversion, so it is 5C. So here we have 5C. We have an A in the bass, we have a C above it, and we have F. So we have A, C, and F, which is basically F, A, C. And again, our A is the one in the bass, so F is root position, A is first inversion, so it is a first inversion of the first one, so it is 1B.